In this video, we will be looking at the 5 most dangerous waterfalls in the world. If you are new here, be sure to subscribe for more great contents. What is a waterfall? A waterfall is an area where water flows over a vertical drop or a series of steep drops in the course of a stream or river. In a waterfall, you are placing yourself under a weight of water, which in a way is dangerous. The height of a waterfall affects its strength. The power of the water varies with the flow rate, and when flow rates increase it gets heavier, and can trap a swimmer against a rock or obstruction, says Lynn Roper. Number 1. Angel Falls. Angel Falls is the world's highest free-falling waterfall at 3,212 feet with an uninterrupted drop of 2,648 feet lying in the Canaima National Park, Venezuela. Number 2. Victoria Falls. Victoria Falls is a waterfall on the Zambezi River, which provides habitat for several unique species of plants and animals. It is located on the border between Zambia and Zimbabwe and is considered to be one of the world's largest waterfalls due to its width of 1,708 meters, 5,604 feet. Number 3. Munchfossen Falls. Munchfossen is a waterfall in the Rauma municipality of Møre og Romsdal County, Norway. It is the 4th tallest single-drop waterfall in the world. There is some dispute as to the height, but it is generally listed at 773 meters, 2,536 feet. Number 4. Niagara Falls. Niagara, Ontario, is a Canadian city, at the famous waterfalls of the same name, linked with the US by the Rainbow Bridge. Its site on the Niagara River's western shore overlooks the Horseshoe Falls, the Cascades' most expansive section. Elevators take visitors to a lower, wetter vantage point behind the falls. A cliffside park features a promenade alongside 520 ft. high Skylon Tower with an observation deck. Number 5. Kegon Falls. Kegon Falls is located at Lake Chuzenji in Nikko National Park, Japan. The main falls had a height of approximately 97 meters, 318 feet, and about 12 smaller waterfalls are situated behind and to the sides of Kegon Falls, leaking through the many cracks between the mountain and the lava flows.